Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching financial news on Insta TV. The early session began on a positive note. The market was absorbing a series of upbeat news which are big market movers today. The Japanese yen is extending gains versus the US dollar. Today the dollar-yen pair is consolidating next to 101.60. Investors are shifting their strategy on the dollar-yen pair to buy on dips amid new evidence of strength of Japan's economy. Japan's economic growth in the second quarter was faster than initially estimated, the Cabinet Office reported. The economy expanded by 0.2% over April-June quarter-on-quarter, an upward revision of the preliminary zero growth. The positive news caused disagreement in the Bank of Japan board. Officials argue about whether extra stimulus measures should be applied. The yen has a history of strengthening sharply after Bank of Japan policy meetings. Being under pressure to ease policy further, Japan's regulator is to hold a meeting on September 21st. Meanwhile, the yen is winning favor with investors. Besides, the Australian dollar is also in the limelight on Forex. The Aussie has been riding the bullish trend since early September. Today, the Australian versus the US dollar pair hit a monthly high at 0.7720. Market participants cheered the news on growing imports to China. China logged stronger than expected trade data in August, as imports unexpectedly rose for the first time in nearly 2 years. Imports unexpectedly rose 1.5% on the year, reversing a 12.5% fall in July and coming in better than Reuters' estimated 4.9% drop. Experts say that growing imports would revive China's industrial sector, which consumes mainly Australia's commodities. Trade balance data from Australia also contributed to the overall positive sentiment as foreign trade deficit narrowed in July. Australia reported a trade gap of 2.41 billion Australian dollars in July, better than market expectations for a deficit of 2.65 billion Australian dollars. You've just watched daily financial news on Insta TV. Stay tuned.